Centrally located moments from the world-class shopping, dining, and entertainment of the Sunset Strip, West Hollywood, and downtown Beverly Hills. A classically styled European estate set on 2/3 of an acre in the coveted Beverly Hills Flats neighborhood. This expansive 18,000 square foot, 7-bedroom, 14-bath home is bedecked with sumptuous amenities at every turn. Polished and poised for exceptional indoor and outdoor entertaining. Thoughtful floor plan leads you effortlessly from large-scale public rooms to the exterior entertaining areas, massive grassy yard, and 70-foot pool with spa. Pass through the gated entrance and up the curved half-moon driveway to a pair of regal glass and wrought iron doors. Enter into a chandelier-illuminated foyer with vaulted coffered ceilings and sleek crown moldings. Turn to the right and you will find a handsome wood-paneled library with stone counter wet bar. Large, voluminous rooms and complete privacy and security make this estate property among the most unique in prime Beverly Hills. The formal dining room, living room, and open-plan family room feature polished wood floors and are illuminated by a wall of French doors that lead to the manicured backyard. Also on the main level is a free-flowing, professionally equipped kitchen with a stunning stone range hood, a bar with seating for 5, and a sunny breakfast nook that opens onto the back terrace. Take the elevator or grand staircase up to the bedrooms, with 5 bedrooms upstairs featuring an enormous master suite with sitting room and his and hers bathrooms and closets, plus 4 additional ensuite bedrooms. The outdoor living area boasts a rectangular swimmer's pool and attached spa, tiled terrace with an above-ground fire pit, outdoor kitchen with bar, and an expansive lawn, all accented by miniature colonnades and bordered by cypress trees and tall hedges, adding to the home's exclusive ultra-private atmosphere. The lower level is dedicated almost entirely to entertainment with a huge game room, 12-foot ceilings, billiard area, 2,000-plus bottle wine room, state-of-the-art theater, and gym complete with steam shower and dry sauna. Plus, 2 extra bedrooms, both en suite, and a garage for up to 8 cars. The home was sold for $26 million in August 2021.